guys, let's see what's going on with AMC. AMC rejected today to break above. Today morning was very bullish. It failed to break upside here and then it take downtrend channel. And what's going on with the AMC? AMC can bounce us back. So let's see what is going on with the AMC and why AMC is coming down. Guys, one of thing why AMC is coming down is because stock was altered. Yeah, stock was altered by the when stock was trading a few days ago was altered, and right now here AMC is on maybe I can call we need today to stay above 4.8. Remember it's trading 4.6 right now, and we need guys to trade above 4.8 today. If it will come down, today, would be bad for AMC and many theory guys. I don't know why stock was started coming down. I think the reason the stock was altered mostly on Friday, and that's why. Remember, guys, when stock is altered, then they went like they want, so it's always highest volatile following day, and you see a lot of news coming in here, and GameStop is now losing more. Remember, guys, I'm always like AMC, even GameStop, but I invested more in AMC because the way short squeeze happening, AMC was better than invest on GameStop because GameStop is easy to lose a lot and easy to give you a lot of money. What will be our next resistance or what will be our next move on AMC right now? Before I play news, AMC we might be calling. In fact, this area is supposed to be the bounces on AMC. When you see this area, this the area was the it was our holding on Friday. In fact, last week all the way until when stock. Remember the other day when came to pumping, AMC is what was for AMC. But remember, guys, this is not actually after right now. Stock still going down, and I like to play the video over here, and I'm still monitoring to see more supports on AMC. But before I go to show you AMC, let's see what's today support. So we have the support number one, which is coming clear over here, 433. In case of anything, if will come down, 433 will be our support, but if will everything turn around, our the first resistance will be 515, 572, 654, and highest that you can see is $8. So guys, AMC, remember AMC is anything we move far faster is always volatile also the same thing. So I've already say, but when you use the daily, because daily is going to tell you more thing, and I like to use daily right now, it's telling you 460 is the support, and and the, and the 510 the same thing will be resistance 5. So this one I will take this one, guys. 560, 510, 460, 510, 587, and the highest will be 737. Let's see the news which were talking about AMC and GameStop.
About what he might, for more right now, and what regulators may be looking at when it comes to trades and GameStops. We want to bring in Firdos Altai, who served as senior counsel in the enforcement division of the SEC. And Firdos, thank you for being with us today. There were a lot of questions about what he might say on Friday and whether or not that would land him in hot water. From what I saw, didn't seem to be anything that would necessarily be a big red flag for regulators. But what did you think?
Agree. I mean, he's a smart guy. He has pulled many FINRA regulations. He knows exactly what he's doing. I saw the whole thing as a stream of consciousness. He's not telling people what to do. He's only discussing his personal opinion. That doesn't give regulators a lot of wiggle room with what they want to do.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to label him a market manipulator. He answered questions saying it was just him. He didn't have other people who were in it with him. That would have been something they would have watched very closely. And he certainly seemed to lay out and show what he was holding. I mean, it shows that he would have lost quite a lot of ground just as the stock went down, too.
If anything, what he's doing right now is setting up a perfect defense for market manipulation. He's giving regulators everything that he would use in his defense if they brought up market manipulation. I think ultimately what they're trying to do is ban him. That's a very high bar for them to reach.
Ban him from ever being able to trade again?
I think so. I mean, that would be the only outcome, right? If he was charged with market manipulation, they would be seeking a lifetime ban. They would try to get him out of the market completely. You see what E-Trade is doing. They're unhappy. However, they're getting the best press they've ever gotten. Their information is on every single thing he posts. So they should be happy right now in a good position as well.
I didn't think about that this is free advertising, whether they like it or not. What do you just think about the retail movement in general? It's something that we saw the huge rise up during the pandemic. There's still a lot of active retail trading. And look, on Wall Street, people have always said they want people to be involved in trading. What do you think of this brand of retail trading?
I think it's fantastic. For the first time, individual investors are out there. They're out in front. They're learning from people. Now, look, meme stocks, there could be an SEC rule on meme stocks. Maybe they just don't like that. But retail investors are finally getting into the market. They're starting to understand what's going on. They're trading their own money. And that's great for the market. And if Wall Street wants to try to beat retail, they're doing that right now. This is a game. Wall Street is a game. And now regular investors are having fun too.
Having fun, and I guess part of it is just getting people actively involved. What's the right way to go about this? Because you don't want to see retail investors who are left holding the bag if there's a big movement that is not based on fundamentals and things that get tossed around. But look, people have thought that Wall Street was rigged for years and years anyway, and that the retail investor could never win.
That's true. I mean, but here right now, with these types of meme stocks, Keep Gill particularly, everything is public, right? Perfect information makes perfect trades. That is the baseline of economics. The more retail investors have actual information, the better decisions they can make. Right now, we're seeing retail investors act very differently from how they did back in 2021. We're also seeing the street act very differently. They're reacting to Keith Gill. They're reacting to the positions he's showing that he's holding and affirming that he's holding. This is what the market is supposed to do.
How much of it, though, is different than what day traders were back in the late 90s, early 2000s? I mean, it's one thing to be an investor. It's another thing to be a trader. And it's a lot harder to be a trader, whether you're a pro or whether you're a retail investor.
Right. There's always winners and losers. Day trading is one of the highest risk positions that you can take. That doesn't mean that retail investors should be banned from doing it. Day traders have been banned, right? Because they know how to manipulate the market. They know how to effect a short squeeze. I think if what they're trying to do, if regulators are looking at what Keith Gill and other meme stock creators are doing, is what they're trying to do is find a rule that doesn't exist right now to control the market. We don't want retail investors left holding the bag, but they have perfect information about what could or could not happen with this particular stock.
For more right now on what regulators maybe.
So, guys, that's the news for today. And let's jump in what's going on with GME. So, GME is moving right now. It's $25, and let's see what's going on with GME. GME is dumping, and we call dumping, right? And we say the next recessor which is coming right now would be 23.33, which is very likely to happen. And if this dam will call straight away, we are going to see GameStop to call $6 easily. Remember, guys, when something you see this candlestick over here, that's not beautiful candlestick on any stock which is started for a 4 hours chart, and is likely to send the GameStop all the way to $15. So we have to watch very well, very careful about that candlesticks. And when you saw on the daily, I like to use daily. Daily is telling you important things. So it's telling you GameStop, it has it's telling you below $32. That's why it's crazy, guys. Below $32 is telling you it's going to be 0.5 negative 21. I don't know. And then the resistance on 155. So guys, data is mixing up right now. We don't know which one is correct, but this one I believe 45, because all of these activities happening right now is 45. So it's telling you the next support will be 19.6, and the resistance will be 33. So either way, we are on the middle of the road. Either to dip more, I think, and up here. So remember, AMC is depending, guys, who is driving AMC, and that is one of the important things that you need to understand about AMC. AMC. So 45 minutes here was rejected, and probably 19 is very likely. I say, let's see, 4 hours, just four. This is the important thing now. This is a very important, very important. And I see stock is going to be pounds around this price, $22. So 23 is buying soon, and if we break 22 and close and open tomorrow less than 21, that's bad news. But right now it's very still on right track apart from simple moving average. I like it, guys. For me personal, right now I'm going to buy a regular stocks and even the puts. So 45 minutes more, remember this, that small time frame, and this thing can turn around anytime in next 2 hours. 45 minutes is just measuring some few hours. So but the important thing is the daily. So daily is telling you this thing is going to bounces around 23. Guys, thank you so much. See you on next video.